Ready to unlock a higher spending limit and enjoy safer shopping with Afterpay? Let's verify your account. First, open your Afterpay app. You'll likely see a banner at the top prompting you to verify your account. Tap on that banner to begin the process. If you don't see the banner, navigate to your account settings, usually found by tapping a profile icon, and look for a verification option there. Once you've found the verification option, tap on it. Afterpay will now ask you to confirm your personal information. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure all the details you provide are accurate and match the information on your official documents. Next, you'll be asked to provide a valid form of identification. Accepted documents typically include a driver's license, passport, or government's ID card. Afterpay will guide you on how to securely upload a clear photo of your chosen document. Ensure the photo is valid and all the details are visible. After uploading your ID, you will then be required to link your bank account. Afterpay needs this to ensure seamless and secure payment of your installments. You'll typically be directed to a secure portal, often managed by a third-party service, to link your bank account using your online banking credentials. Don't worry, Afterpay uses industry-standard encryption to protect your financial information. Now, let's say you are unexpectedly having trouble verifying your account. First, double-check that all the information you entered is correct and matches your ID and bank account details. Make sure your ID is valid, such as not expired, and that you have a sufficient enough bank balance. If issues persist, contact Afterpay's customer support directly through the app or their website for personalized assistance. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, Afterpay will review your information, which usually takes a few hours to a day. After successful verification, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Now you can enjoy a higher spending limit and make purchases with added security. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, Afterpay will review your information, which usually takes a few hours to a day. After successful verification, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Now you can enjoy a higher spending limit and make purchases with added security.